So today I want to do a quick video to show you a new stove I've been working on. It's a larger version of the stove that you see me using in all my videos in the backcountry, a little biomass or stick stove. The one that I have been using is the one on the left, which is a tomato juice can on the outside and a pasta sauce can on the inside. And the larger version, the one in the center, is the paint can with the tomato juice can suspended on the inside. If you look at the stove that's on the right here, you'll see how small it is. That's a prototype that I tried a couple of years ago, and I found out because it was so small, it just didn't work very well. So kind of extending that concept, I thought, well, what if I make it a little bit bigger? Will it burn a little bit longer? Would it be a little bit hotter? Could I put bigger material in it? And after some test burns of the paint can version in the center, the answer is yes to all of that. So far, I'm really happy with the way it's working out. It's still about a pound, even with the pot standoff on the top. I thought I would show it to you. I'll break it down here a little bit, and then we'll go outside and I'll fire it up for you. Pretty simple construction on this one with the paint can I picked up at Home Depot. Cut a hole in the lid of that one with a pair of tin snips, the diameter of the tomato juice can that's going to go in the center of that. Drilled some holes around the base with the step bit. And in the tomato juice can, punched some holes, tabs pointed outward with the church key can opener. A few extra small holes to add a little bit more airflow and secondary burn. And then in the base, about 2 inches up the side, some small holes there, and a few more in the bottom. Finish it off with a pot standoff made from strapping I also picked up at Home Depot. And that's it for construction.